We'll guide you through how to render videos with FFmpeg. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have the FFmpeg command line tool properly installed and recognized by your system. Open your File Explorer and locate the unrendered or heavy video file that you want to process. Right-click on your video file, select Rename, and change it to a simple name like input.mp4. Click directly on the address bar at the top of your File Explorer window to highlight the directory path. Type CMD into the address bar and press Enter to open the command prompt directly in your current folder. To begin setting up the render, type FFmpeg --i input.mp4 and add a space to target your original video. Now, we clearly need to specify the new video encoder. Type -c:\v libs 265 and add a space. This specific command tells FFmpeg to render the video using the H.265 HEVC encoder, which is highly efficient for compressing file size while maintaining visual quality. Next, we explicitly need to apply a video preset to determine the rendering speed and active compression ratio. Type -preset fast and add a space. You can also use medium or slow, but fast provides a great balance for general video rendering. To ensure the audio remains exactly the same without re-rendering it, simply type -c:\copy and add a space. Finally, type the name of your rendered output file, for example, rendered_output.mp4. Carefully check your terminal screen to ensure the full command looks exactly like this. FFmpeg -i input.mp4 -c:\v libs 265 -preset fast -c:\a rendered_output.mp4. Press Enter directly on your computer keyboard to safely start the rendering process. Because changing the active encoder requires the computer processor to read and rewrite every single frame. This process will absolutely take some time. Please wait patiently and carefully monitor the scrolling text until the active terminal completely returns to the default typing prompt. Once finished, close the terminal, check your File Explorer, and play your new rendered_output.mp4 file to see the encoded video.